This is the Lancer update. We haven't been filming in the past like week or so. Got a new shift boot and a new shift knob.
Fucking covered in gunk, so you can see. We're just tearing shit out.
The first step we did was to unscrew these screw holes right here. We took this off and we yanked this shit off. This is just a pop, yeah? Oh my god.
You can't. Look. Ain't that about a bitch?
We thought we could just pop this off and then put the new boot on, but apparently not. I'll give you an update. We forgot to film it. We didn't film it, but we got an Evo boot with a carbon fiber. This is like faded as fuck. Buffet or something. It's an Evo boot. That's all that matters. Look at that. It's not paint match. Don't worry about it. Let it slide. And then underneath, we've also got some side skirts that we bought. And then in the back, we've also got a Canon muffler. But other than that, that's basically all we've done. Yeah, just about. And then we've also ordered a pod filter adapter. And look at that.
Ah, fucking more screws.
You fucking yanked the whole thing off, haven't you?
Yeah, well, you want to check if
fuck, wait, 10 cents.
Oh. Making our money back already.
Canon muffler just chilling in the back.
Yeah, we want a Canon muffler. I'm actually gonna neck it if this one
but this shit will work, don't worry about it.
We bought this car with zero prior knowledge. Never owned a car
yeah.
before. I don't even have my fucking license. It is good for $1,000.
And it is good. In the time that we last filmed, we got 4 months rego and now it has roadworthy. So that's why we're modding it now. Because freaking why not? So we've got the center console. Here's a close-up of the side skirts. Not painted, of course, but you know what we should do? We should, when we get new parts, we should film. Got this Temu special, mate.
Ooh, yeah. What you doing in there?
Hang on, wait, we're doing something wrong. Hang on, hold the camera. This looks retarded, Ben. The whole thing's... Oh, real. No, you... Oh, yeah? Oh, me this. No, it doesn't. Wait.
Technical difficulty.
We need like a head cam for this.
We need a fucking workbench.
It's gonna be tight. Oh, that's good. Let's go like that. We need something to like staple it in, bro. Like, we need like Gorilla Glue.
We have super glue in the boot.
Wait. There's notches here. You need to like make a small incision.
Okay, I think I know what this is.
It'll work, but like...
Oh, wait, how's it even gonna...
What was that?
Can you fucking help me?
No, man, what the fuck, man? Film then, bro. No, this is fucked. Where's the incision knife? We've just made some small incisions. That's all it needed on this Lancer.
On the Lancer?
On the Lancer, bro.
Show the other shift boot. Where's the other shift boot?
Yeah. When we ripped it out, it ripped all these notches out. So we're just gonna super glue in here because we don't have any staple guns or whatever. Just so when we're shifting, it doesn't like rip up.
This can't super glue the fucking lid together.
So, mum. We don't know how old that shit is, bro. Probably doesn't even come out. Oh my god, it does.
Remember when we super glued our fingers together?
That's it. Yes, I do remember that.
That was lit.
Like, even that's enough. That's enough. Yeah. That's more than needed, I reckon. Alright, wait. Let's test fit. Don't worry about it. Bro, that looks gas. That generally looks as good, bro. Back in.
Screw that bit back in. I will.
Scoot. Oh, I will. Just make sure it's tight enough.
It'll be tight enough. It's a screw.
Oh, it is?
I lost the screw.
Where is it?
I don't know. Oh, right there. We don't need this.
What is that?
I don't know. It's a fucking plug to the engine?
It's an aux cord, bro.
Maybe the speakers will be fucking better.
Maybe we have aux. We didn't even know that. No, I reckon put that on. Put that on first.
Get the aux.
Put that on last.
Get the aux. Oh yeah, we need to put this on last.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Which one?
What if you plug it into your computer?
What are you saying?
What if this is something that you plug into your computer and it's just got fucking mods?
No, it doesn't.
No, imagine, but...
I'm imagining.
Disconnect the handbrake, please.
Disconnect the handbrake?
Take the whole thing off.
What's hitting on what?
This. Yeah, this goes in nice when it's like that. But now this is in the way. This fucking shift knob. I mean, not the shift, the handbrake. Oh, we just needed to lift it up more. Fuck. Oh my god, we're actually like... There we go.
Bro, look how grot this shit is, bro.
I
Look how
know.
fucking grot that
You know what? It's under there. We're not cleaning it.
How's this gonna look though? Oh, look at that.
Ooh, sexy. Through a lot of anger and frustration, we done it.
Put it back on. Fucking pretty good, bro, for $6 or whatever the fuck.
Yeah, it's fucking heavy too, eh? Now, gotta figure out this stuff. Oh my god.